a student here at PSJ Collegiate. As of right now, I'm on a path to graduate with my Business Associates with STC. Collegiate being housed at the Dr. P. King College University Center allows me to stay on campus while taking STC classes without having to travel so much. I chose business administration because I think business is very interesting. It's all around us. My mom is a business owner, so I think business gives a lot of opportunities, being able to grow and expand at your own rate and how much work or effort you want to put into that. Seeing her work so hard has allowed me to want to pursue what she does and also take inspiration to push me even further in my academic career. PSJ being dual language allows me to communicate with everyone throughout the school, and not just English speakers or Spanish speakers, but both parties, and also just around my community. I've been able to compete with BPA, Business Professionals of America, and so far I've been able to compete here at a regional level, going on to the state level, and also national level, being able to compete in Anaheim, California. And with PSJ being able to provide those resources has allowed me to focus on my studies and academic journey instead of having to worry about finances or not taking the opportunity because of financial struggle. I'm the flute section leader in the Mighty Bear Band. Becoming the flute section leader has allowed me to want to grow and help my section. This year we were able to improve a lot and be able to work together, and then hopefully the years following creating a foundation where it allows them to grow and just improve even further. PSJ offers a lot of opportunities. Being on the same level allows everyone to have the same opportunities and just being able to grow as much as possible without any worries.